ye shen na ne yesika enti mebu aba ye nyina ye moya bosuo mu na ye mfa ye ntu fom ba brabo a disika papa ebebo ye nuaba MOESHA BUDUONG abawe beji din pa ne ehwe dinje na ye abawe beji na enye bibia sebi eye ne to na eso eto yi wo hwe Nyankopon abodie mu pa anka eto nso de anka woni anuonyam na eso ne Ghana kromu anase o maye ye wo mu de wo ya abawe anase wo to a Mr. Wo price enti eto nti sister eto ahye kama e ma ne beji din na echirensem no anu odin papa MOESHA BUDUONG de abeto dwa se wo yare sabre eni namuntinten se MOESHA wo yare stroke anu odin te se ensem bebre we na presenter ba ko abetra eye ne kam atwe camera se ni so se he Ghana fo mu mamani nda ho wono wafa ekwan bi so ni MOESHA akasa hwe nkyere se eye stroke achi MOESHA BUDUONG na MOESHA pese wo bu Ghana fo dada Ghana sabre sika edan ho asa na se sika ode pe ye huhu bra no ne nyina asanti wo pe kwan bi so na wasa beje Ghana fo sika na Ghana fo ya dwin so papa enye MOESHA BUDUONG no abegyina okas wo no mpa hia fo sika na ne de watwe camera besi wo se ne nua megyina ntentan so wensre sika Ghana fo ma yeni na abayiwa no wo bu Ghana fo egu ma yenko ne yenko presenter ne nsema wo mo ma yen.
So I believe all this MOESHA stuff is a scam. If you listen to the interview Ola did with the MOESHA's brother, there are of inconsistencies. I can say that I think MOESHA is broke and MOESHA is using the brother, because I know people who have spoken to her and there is nothing wrong with her voice. She does not look like somebody who has gotten stroke. So why do you need to live a false life to make money from society? Why do we do that? MOESHA, let me tell you, there are rules in this world, and this world, you can't joke with this world. If you want to make money out of people, if you want to take sickness or false pretense to make money, it's wrong. Family, don't sit there for this to happen. And even if it's true, I think your family members still have access to your phone. All your clients are there, all your friends are there, because you said you don't want anything from poor people. So why are you begging from the poor? Let's be careful the things we see and how we see them. But I know what is going on. MOESHA is trying to scam us, and this thing, it will fall flat. Ebito,
good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Bachabako.
Bachabako.
Ebito, na se una wodi GoFundMe ebeto abontima yina bin, right? Now wadaroma obi mu pese yina pese tia what relationship with MOESHA and how is it like? What are you to her?
I'm the brother.
Brother from the same mom and dad?
Yeah, the same, yeah, the same.
Okay. Now from your GoFundMe and the reason for our donations, you know, who say oh dear na ye unia ba no chichi na tiefo nyina entiase wadaroma.
Yeah, so
me ba cho say
it was severe stroke. Yeah, severe stroke.
When you severe stroke.
Severe stroke.
Na eba ni saying how did it happen?
The medical report was that it was an hypertensive patient, hypertensive person. Yeah, that was called the stroke.
Oh, na our hypertension dada.
Yeah.
And hypertension mum ne causes stroke no.
Yeah,
but untre you no o se okọ baby kojina ni na say otehwe ye.
No, I didn't say that. That was
there's nothing like say otehwe na stroke number. Me say so it's not true say otehwe and a stroke no sebi TC.
The high blood pressure and forced cardiac. The difficult stroke and forced cardiac.
Na me pacho sisi aye ka say unia ba MOESHA woin.
But me antin.
Oni hospital.
But you discharge no.
Ya discharging da me ya.
Discharging last week.
Last week.
Yes.
Now, what I almost stroke, no, how is it like describing my head in Bonkum ni Nifa, Otimika, so Otimi, Nanti, my own picture, no, I how a bit me a dihun komoe.
That's a medical name. I can't explain it. I mean, doctor, to me,
no, yeah, a person who say, yes, will be in your stroke. Ebiana senifa jojo ebiana no ontimi nkasaye ebia ontimi ni bonkuma na ni nifa ontimi nantiye unua ba no de no how is it like
one of the sides is not really well. They pass on every time back kaka but not too much.
Okay, one of the side, is it the left side or the right?
The right side, right. It's active small, but not active as usual.
Okay, and the casa so to say.
The casa never clear, but the back account.
Okay, but otimi nantiye.
Not too much.
Otimi nantiye kra.
Nothing back account, but not too much.
Na say who wants now set up GoFundMe no? Na say mu here sika for what specifically?
Hello?
Yeah, sika no ye de yeden ankasa ma no.
Mostly for a treatment and a well-being as well.
Need treatment for stroke no?
Stroke and everything, right? Treatment for stroke and a well-being for as well.
Stroke and her well-being. Na say sika wo de beto no ho e de adidi.
Yeah. What's the now yare one on that?
Dabi yenim se na unua no. Yenim se yare wo no.
Na yare one that.
E de yare a.
Already he had a bipolar issue.
Okay, or bipolar issue dada. And I was say now or hypertensive.
Yes. But that's why I set up
It is saying yen na yem wana yen twetua kakra na yetimi fan share stroke no. Na yen say nya bia ode beto no ho asa bia ode bedidi.
Yes, I bet you will talk out. Bipolar talk out. So it's not only for the stroke alone. It's for a well-being as well.
Ebito bipolar ye timi treaty and you just you will manage.
But the bipolar you have to be on medication as well.
Yes. Na obi baby say so when you na dey say bebu $10,000 na mo pay no.
Hello?
Me say obi baby say there wo kan there and na ye be here more than $10,000 no.
Me da se we je bread twen me makra.